Mom's Kitchen with the boys. And today we got our lovely mom, yeah?
Hello guys!
Yes, okay, yeah guys. Today is actually her birthday, so we are just starting the video with something special. Pepper soup and boiled rice. Who doesn't love pepper soup? Man, it's just chilly. So yeah guys, these are the ingredients. We have everything here. Honestly, I don't really know the names yet. So let's just get into the video, you know. Yes, and be sure to wish her happy birthday in the comments.
Yes.
And yes, let's just
so guys, we have here fresh chicken. Then this is our salt. This is the seasoning. This is garlic, and this is onion. Here is fresh pepper. I prefer using this green one. It's very nice. So then this is tiger pepper, and this is Clover pepper.
Yeah.
Clover seed.
We're learning things, you know.
Then
I don't know how to cook, so.
then this, if you are cooking pepper soup, you must put this.
What is that?
It's called scent leaf.
Okay.
That's how we call it. Scent leaf, yes, to bring out the aroma. Then we have our rice here. So
yeah, all that remains for us to get into the main show, the cooking.
yes.
The cooking.
Yeah, so
La cuisine.
We are going
we'll
to
see you
start.
in the process.
Okay, so let's go. So now we are going to pour the chicken into the pan.
Okay.
Pour it. Then you put in our thing. It's well washed. Very
That's been washed.
clean. Has been washed, well washed. So we are adding our salt.
A tablespoon of salt.
Then seasoning. Okay. Then onion.
Maggi.
Can you do it? Can you put it?
Oh, I really
Please
hate
bring
onions.
this.
Alright,
Do
that's
it,
good.
please. It's good for your.
We can put say,
How did they make it?
how much it is? It's like this.
But you should have done it.
Oh, that's nice. Chefing
You're
things.
trying.
Chefing things. Okay.
Do it this way.
It's going to be out from today. Got it. Oh, easy, yeah. Nice. Let me try.
So people, you can use your board to do this.
In case you're scared of it.
Yes.
You know, mom is a pro, you know. Something what she's doing.
Bring it out.
Ah,
Bring it out.
yeah.
Bring it out.
My eyes.
Hey. All right, that's it. So now,
That's all. You don't need to.
no.
Okay.
Now we put in our tiger seed.
Yes, I know everything.
It's well.
Okay, so I want to blend it.
Mm.
We're going to blend it.
We're going to
now.
blend it.
We are blending it. All dry.
So, oh my god.
Oh, I can see well.
So you put the tiger seed.
Wait, guys, I don't know the name of this.
If you know the name of
This, you can
Tell us.
leave it down in the comments, you know. We don't know what it is.
Let's blend this. So I'm blending it now. It's okay. So we're going to add it.
So you want to the mixture. Okay.
Tablespoon.
So yeah, one tablespoonful. Already smelling nice.
It's already giving us the. That's. So it makes it.
Let's smash it in.
Just mixing it so that
The ingredients will be
ingredients will mix well. Taste good. See, today is my day, right?
all for you. has been mixed delicately. And it looks appetizing already. Okay, let's go into the fire. Alright. Yep. Excuse me.
Yes, increase.
Okay, so how many minutes are we going to wait for it?
Follow.
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so we're going to do
10 by 10 minutes we check it.
10 minutes.
Yes. If it's not ready, then we'll now. Yes. Later we'll add water to it. But for now, we're not adding any water. So as you can see, this is our pepper, the remaining onion and ginger. So I'm going to blend it now to add to the
Already spice.
spice. Pepper soup. So we use a lot of pepper to get the pepper taste of it. And the weather is very cold. Trust me when I say cold. Woo, really cold, yeah. Okay, so I want it. I have to blend it very well because of the ginger in it. Okay. Now we are going to pour very, very well. It will mix well. Guys, are you seeing it? Nobody saying anything?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh yeah, don't mind us, just watching.
Okay. Next time you be the one doing this.
Okay.
Mom will just stand and watch you. Alright. So I'll add water to this blender and I'll pour it in there.
Have to be resourceful.
Yeah. Don't waste anything. So you can see. Alright. So pour it in here. Take this water. The water is not enough, but so as you can see, the leaf is well washed. Now I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it. I could have used blender, but let me slice it.
Okay guys, well, we are coming to wash rice. Pretty simple. You turn it in and then you just have to wash it with your 2 hands. Scrub it. You know, sometimes they might be dirty or they're out in the fields for a long time, so they just.
And I don't like parboiling rice.
Yes.
I prefer washing it this way.
Okay, so you heard mom. She loves washing it, so you scrub it with all your might. Wash it. Actually, you do
Change the water.
like 3 to 4 times
till the
till the water is clean.
Yes.
Then that should be it. Well, the rice have been washed more than 3 times, so it's already clean. All that is left is just to put it in the pot. Okay, that's not so much. That's not hard.
Okay. While I check the meat.
Man, this
smells.
it looks pepper
Let me
soup.
not say it. So now I'm adding the beef.
Yo, we should smell this. So nice. Okay, so the leaf is in and the rice is in. Smells delightful.
Guys, what do you think?
Really nice, bro. Really nice. Okay, man, this is going to be a birthday well eaten.
As you can see it. Oh, God. I can't wait to have this, guys. Now you can taste it. Just like that.
Let's burn my flesh.
All right. You want to
Let me
taste?
taste now. But wait, we blow it
Don't
small.
worry, wait. Your hand is still tender.
No, my hand is strong enough.
Your hand is still tender. No, it's not hot again. See? It's not hot again.
Okay, it's not. I can take.
Good job!
Nice, class.
Yeah.
Woo! Blackish.
That is it. That's why it's called pepper soup. So guys, once the rice is ready, I'm going to have my lunch. Alright, the pepper soup is ready, completely ready. I think it's up to 15 minutes now.
Yeah.
It's good to go. Now I'm waiting for my rice. So I can.
Okay, guys, well, you know you have to add at least 1 tablespoon full of salt to add to the taste. So you just
You add it to your taste.
Yes.
Some people like.
Some people like it
No,
more,
guys,
some people like it less.
Use bigger spoon,
I'm sorry.
just like this.
Some people like the salt more, some love
And
it
if you are
less.
stirring it, don't stir it down, just up, so it will not get burned. It's okay. Close it. Alright, it's okay, guys.
20 minutes later.
So as you can see, the rice is ready.
As you can see, the rice is ready, it's done. Put your spoon deep. Yeah, it's done. It's clear. So time for dishing. Now it's just to,
Now,
you know,
to do justice to it,
okay.
I'm happy.
Okay, everyone, as you can see, the food is. Hey, camera, can you come closer?
Please come closer, let my
As you can
people
see, the food is looking
Hang.
it came out exactly the way we wanted it to.
Yes.
So yes, and the rice is looking tantalizing. So that's our mom
Yummy.
has the first taste. You know, she's a birthday girl. So
Alright. Yeah. That's me. That's me. Birthday mama. So guys, come with me, let's see it. So this is how we do it. Make a little bit of it.
Mom. You understand?
Try.
You gotta work.
Yeah.
Although I know so small, but still, I show love.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Oh my god, this is it tastes perfect.
I'm sorry for you that you're watching. I wish you can taste this.
Typical African.
The spices. It's in my head.
This is my best part of.
Now you're taking the meat.
Yeah,
The meat.
that's my best part. Let me try this. Hey guys, Yeah.
You wish you were me. You wish you were me.
Come join us. Guys, you guys are going to cook this again for me next week. I'm loving it. Guys, I'm loving it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. If you liked this kind of video and more of these to come, make sure you
subscribe,
you like, and you share. You share to your friends. Okay, for more chicken and more pepper soup content and more
good stuff.
So why don't you just subscribe, okay? Leave a comment what you think about the video.
Yes.
You know, let's
Comment, please.
and don't forget to say happy birthday to mom.
Birthday, mama.